You can also customize the point of sale. Just right-click the box. To change the color, click Change Color. Choose the color and click OK. You can also group the items. Example, all the drinks. Right-click, click the Change Description, enter the description, then enter. To group all the drinks, click the Drinks box. Press or hold the box to show the list of items. Enter description to search. Then OK. The same procedure to add an item, hold the box. Enter the description to search. Then OK. To delete, just right-click, click the Delete item. It is also designed for touchscreen to make the menus easy to use by touching the customizable point of sale. Enter the description.
Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can it be?